Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in a new room in my house. The lighting over here is poppin'. Y'all did not need to see that.
Little nasty!
Today we're separating our braids, taking them down, doing the whole braid out process just to see how they turned out from last week's wash. So, if you guys like these types of videos, like, comment, and subscribe, and describe to me how you guys take down your hair to reduce frizz and come out with the best definition results. Is it definition versus volume? Which one do you guys like more, volume or definition? Let me guys know down below. Anyway, these again have been in for like the whole week, as you can tell by my dusty looking scalp.
You look dusty.
Yeah, it looks pretty dusty. That is time for these to go. First thing I do is I actually put my hair up. Yes, I look like an egg. Support all the eggs out here, you know? So, I start with the back. Work it to the front. Hey, started from the back. Work it to the front. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here. Usually you start by putting oil on your hands. Right now I have a bunch of oil on my head, so I'm just gonna, boom, greasy hands, right?
The ghetto.
Braid is looking mighty crisp, and I just start from the bottom, and I just work my way up. Gently. Because, again, we are out here to reduce frizz. And frizz is the problem, which is why the oil helps. But since I'm just lazy, we're just gonna...
And I'm
gonna cut that out. You see, it's turning out pretty nice. And you just gently pull, put your fingers between the two, and go ahead and go for it. Try not to rip it apart too much. And no, I know it will take a long periodically time, but do you want to reduce frizz or not? So again, just gonna try to show you. Look at that curl definition. Yes. Let me get all the way to the root and shabow. Show you. These are what the curls are looking like. Curls for the girls. The definition is popping. Then I go ahead and separate after I take down one. So I go ahead and gently separate, like this is gently separating wherever it naturally wants to separate. So, you know, this looks like natural. I also don't have a mirror. You guys are my mirror, so, you know, this is natural. And bam, there's one done. So now that you guys know what it looks like, I'm just gonna repeat the same process on this side all the way up to the top, and I will be back to show you an up close vision of the top of it. And so it should take within like 20 to 30 minutes. We have a special guest today. Since you want to be trapped in here.
I don't know what y'all.
Hi.
You better stop.
Oh. My cat's not having it, y'all. Another good method for this is to use your good old wide tooth comb or rat tail comb. You're just gonna go right at the braid and stick it right in between, pull it through. It might cause more frizz that way, but it is a faster way to get it done. See where to stick it through and just pull it through. So, you know, that kind of starts if your braid is super tight. If your ends are like, excuse me, miss. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this one.
Guys, another great way to separate is to just run your finger over it until it naturally starts to pull itself apart. And then bam, after that you wrap it around your ends so that your ends don't get as frizzy.
So for example, this This is a perfect curl, guys. No frizz, just a tad bit, and see how it's naturally separated in the middle? Just gonna pull my thumb through, pull it apart, and bam, separation is done. Really based off of what you guys want for volume, and depending on how much value you want on day one. This is actually a whole week since I put these in, so I'm not worried about volume right now. It's just gonna be whatever comes out, and we're just gonna keep going, guys. The actual reason why I like continue to put it in a band first is to keep up with which ones I have done and which one I haven't, because I have literally gone to school or gone up, thought I did all of them, and reached in the back of my head, found a whole braid. Like, where did you come from, sis? Like, no ma'am. Let me guys know down in the comments if you guys have any different methods of, you know, taking down your braids. Separation, curls, bam. Let's keep it going. We're back. I'm about halfway done. This is the back. Definitely gonna, you know, back it up. Back it up. You know. And the front is still up here. I'm gonna be back with the front soon, but I'm kind of liking the volume so far. Hey, so we're back. I had to switch locations because apparently at 5 o'clock in my neighborhood, it is the perfect time to mow your grass. So we had to change locations just for noise count, but I'm toward the front now to show a more up-close version of taking these down. So as you can see, I kind of just use my nails. If you don't have nails, again, rat tail comb, got you covered. Length is getting better, thickness is getting better, you know. Healthy hair all 2020, so don't think I won't snip these ends. Oh, these are the results, guys. Got some definition going on. Ignore the flakes. Everywhere. I am in love with my braid outs. Obviously my volume is popping right now. Anyway, but if you guys need more volume, go through and pick that mug out with your handy dandy pick. I like my parts on this side, but sometimes, you know, if you want a middle part, go for it, you know. Oof, my forehead. If you want the other side, go for it. If you want a bang, go for it, you know. You know, if you guys want to see some hairstyles with a braid out routine, I think I need to do a twist out this week, but I am in love with these results. I love my shape right now, but my ends do need some help. I will definitely show you guys the back. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a like, comment, and go subscribe to my channel for more content. We'll see you in the next video.